Okay, so today we're showing you how to set up your auto ship if you've already got your account already set up and you're not setting up your auto ship through the enrollment process. This is setting your auto ship up after you've enrolled, if you ever need to change your auto ship for any reason. So log into your account. It's a bit of a roundabout way to do this, but once you know how, it's easy. You go to store, go to patches. If you're going to set your X39 up for auto ship, you go to add to monthly subscription order, then that'll appear up here in your cart. So then you go to your cart, check out, and then you've already got your address in there, so you're not putting a new one in unless you want it to go somewhere different, but you just click ship to this address. So you want it monthly, set for 1 month from now, or whenever you want that auto ship to come out for the first time, and then it'll be set up for every month after that. So continue. So continue if all that's right. Then you'll be putting in your CVV. Then you'll be reviewing your order. I'm only going to go to this far because I'm not actually putting one through. And then once you've continued on the review page, your order will be complete. And then when you've done that, if you want to make sure it's all exactly how you set it up, go to monthly subscription orders and you go to processing, edit, and you should see the date that it's set up for your next order to come out on the monthly subscription order. And that's it.